Hello, I'm Dr. Beech. This morning I was on the phone with a patient for an Ayurvedic phone consultation. We do offer phone consultations for people who need to talk to us remotely. And we were talking about diet and herbs. And in one of my other videos, I talked about using food as medicine, but I wanted to clarify a little bit some points here. There's a saying in Ayurveda that comes from the text, from Charaka Samhita, which says that, translated, it says that without proper diet, medicine is of little use. And then it flips and says, with proper diet, medicine is of little need. And the point here is that we have to have good diet in order for the herbs to work. I want to explain a little bit about how that works. When we eat food, we have to digest the food. Most of the digestion actually starts in the mouth and then in the stomach, but then a lot of enzymatic activity, breaking down of proteins and digesting sugars and all of that occurs in the colon. Then that process converts the food into a liquid portion. In Western medicine, it's called chyme. In Ayurveda, we call it rasa. Rasa is the kind of plasma part of the blood. It's really the nutrition. And then that rasa then goes to the liver, where it's then converted into blood. So the big part of our digestion occurs in our colon, our gut, and in our liver. Now, if we're eating food that's not intelligent or not appropriate for that individual, maybe it's too acidic, it's too heavy, it's too sweet, it's too oily, whatever, or it's processed, or what we call dumb or dead food, food that leftovers or frozen food, processed food, junk food. Let's say the person's eating McDonald's and Pizza Hut every day. Not to pick on McDonald's and Pizza Hut, but that's fast food, and that's kind of what we call dumb or dead food. What happens is that in order for the body to actually digest that, the intelligence of the colon and the liver have to dumb down in order to meet the quality of the food that's coming in on a regular basis. You may have heard of that, what's the name of that movie, Supersize. In the Supersize movie, the fellow decides to eat at McDonald's every day for 30 days. And for the first few days, it made him sick. He had diarrhea, and it made him feel bad. And then after that, he felt fine. He actually liked the food. Okay, as a result of that, what's happened, he ate there for 30 days and gained a lot of weight. His cholesterol went through the ceiling. But the point is that he adapted. Our human body is the most adaptable thing on the planet. We adapt to everything. And adaptation means that you can actually like something that's bad for you. You can smoke cigarettes and it'll make you cough and all that kind of stuff at first. And then after a while, you begin to like it. You can drink whiskey and it burns you, but after a while you begin to crave it. Why? Because our body will adapt. And adapting to bad food means that our colon and our liver have to dumb down. They have to become less intelligent in order to adapt and utilize that food, because otherwise we would starve. Now, this is where the food and medicine go together. Because if our diet is dumbing down the intelligence of our liver and our colon, then when we take this very intelligent herb, which intelligent means that it has all of nature's organizing intelligence there, and we put the herb in our mouth and it goes to our colon and our liver, it doesn't know what to do with it because it's been dumbed down to meet the level of pizza and cheeseburgers. So that's why the saying is that without proper diet, medicine is of little use, because the body will meet the level of the diet and then it won't be able to utilize a highly intelligent medicine like guduchi or ashwagandha or some very nice intelligent herb. So that's the way the diet and the herbs work together. Now, on the other hand, if we're eating a very intelligent diet with fresh food, fresh fruits, whole grains, proper spices, proper oils, and it makes our physiology in terms of the liver and the colon act in a more intelligent fashion, then it's wide awake. Then when we take the herb, these very intelligent herbs, the body knows exactly what it needs to do with it So you see that connection between diet and herbs. They're both medicine. Food is medicine, and herbal preparations are medicine as well, but they work together. This is a very, very important understanding to have.